Yung topic ko, DBM. Oh. Di ba last year naalala ninyo, during the budget hearings, NUP started criticizing the DBM and the DPWH about what we called yung basura na budget nila, di ba? Galit sila sa amin. Nag-press conference si Executive Secretary, tapos kumbaga, parang binantaan kami na hindi kami dapat nagsasalita ng gano'n. Anyway, the way things turned out, lahat ng mga kinikriticize natin, yung DBM Secretary, yung DPWH Secretary, pati na rin yung Executive Secretary, nawala lahat. No? So siguro hindi naman puro mali yung sinabi namin at the time. Okay? So ito na naman tayo. DBM, ano? Gusto ko lang kasi hindi nila sinasabi ito, no? They're keeping it to themselves. They do policies, gumagawa sila ng mga procedures na sila lang na nakakaintindi, pero na-apekto lahat. Okay? So, narinig niyo si Congressman Valeriano nagsabi na, walang mga public works projects na nabibid out at walang nangyari sa first quarter. Alam niyo, 5% of the GDP of the country comes from public works, di ba? So, kumbaga, nabawasan na talaga yung ating GDP because of this. Ngayon, so iniimbestiga namin sa nanggagalingan. Lumabas na, lahat ng public works projects pala ngayon are for later release, FLR. Okay? So, walang pondo pala yung mga regions at districts ng DPWH para i-bid out yung mga project. Okay? So, anong proseso na sinasabi nila ngayon? Sabi nila, dapat i-bid daw yung projects at kung may manalo, ipadala sa DBM para magdidesisyon yung DBM kung i-authorize nila yung Secretary of Public Works na mag-issue ng SARO to the corresponding district engineer or regional director for that specific project. Ang effect niyan, by the way, is lahat ng public works in all the districts, the budgets everywhere, in effect, kasi for later release, zero. Di ba? Zero. Kaya naman pala walang nabibid out. No? Siyempre, sisiya sa atin pa yan nila Congressman Valeriano, he is taking the lead of our party on this, no? What's going on there. Pero katakataka ito kasi hindi ko maintindihan anong klaseng policy ito. Unang-una, pwede ka pa mag-bid pag walang pondo? No? Kung wala pang release sa district, paano i-bid out ng district yun? Wala nang pondo. Kung sa region, i-bid out mo, paano i-bid out? Wala nang pondo. So, kailangan i-bid out nila, yung manalo, padadala nila sa DBM. Tapos kung sa tingin ng DBM, karapat-dapat yan, mag-authorize sila na SARO i-release for that particular project. Tingin namin, this is very questionable. I do not know sa nag-aaral ng management yung mga yan. Kasi imposible yan eh. Kasi there are, 15,000 to 20,000 public works projects per year. So, ibig po sabihin, DBM will review 15,000 individual projects before they release the fund for a single project. Na time and motion na ba nila yan? Kasi palagay ko, baka hindi sila kayang gawin yan. Di ba? At a time when our country is suffering, at a time when the Middle East is causing untold economic difficulties on us, ito ba ang mga makikita natin ginagawa? Ito ba nakakatulong ba ito o lalong nakakapahamak sa atin? Sa tingin namin, kailangan ipaliwanag nila yan. Saan nila nakuha yung ideya na yan? No? Unang-una, the General Appropriations Act is an operating document. In other words, pag lumabas na sa GAA, yun na yun. No? Dapat gastusin na yun. That's the limit and that is the minimum. Ngayon, if there are excuses like bumaba yung collections, etc., any revision to the program of expenditures has to be justified and at the very, very, very least, explained. Alam mo, nalaman pa namin ito sa mga district engineer at saka regional directors, ha? Walang nagsasabi sa amin yan. Oh. So, I think that the DBM has to explain this. We are not going to stop discussing this issue. And I hope media will help us ask them what the heck is going on. Di ba? Kasi nothing is moving on the construction front for the country.